Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego car. It's very simple, but I haven't got the correct colors. I've got all these different colors, got yellows and whites and everything. You get your colors in the right, you get them all in the, so that they're right. We're going to be using one of these, so try and find these. This is the most important part of the car. Remember, I've just got different colors. You don't have to copy me. You do what you think's good for the car. Now here's all my pieces. You'll be needing 2 windshields, a Force Smooth, one of these, 2 of those, all of these blocks, a number plate, 4 wheel covers, another one of those, one of these special kind of blocks. You'll need this, one of these, 2 tail lights, something like this, 4 wheels, okay, 4 wheels, 2 of these, one of these, 4s, 1 seat, 1 steering wheel, and 1 car base. Now let's get busy building. So here's your car base. Take 4 of your wheel covers. Start by putting them like this, so you have 2 blocks left over on the side. Remember, I've got my different colors, so if you notice that they're different colors, it's still a good car, just different colors. Then we're going to get moving on to doing the back bumper. So grab this, take your tail lights and put them in their corners, just like so. Then take this and put it upside down, like that. Take this and put it on the bottom. So you should have your bumper looking like this. I'm going to put that aside for now. Take these and put them underneath the wheel covers. There. Now, what you're going to want to do is take your blocks and firstly put this one at the front. Wherever your front is, put it at the front. Now take your other blocks, put one here at the back. Well, I'll save that one there for us. Put the other one at the back. Put one in the front and one at the back. Fill them in on the sides. That one's not supposed to go at the back. Don't put one at the back. This one goes at the back. Sorry. Correction. Okay, so you should have something looking exactly like this. Now we are halfway through the car. So remember, this is at the back. Take your seat, and then you're going to put it in and push it down until it clicks. Then you're going to leave 2 spaces for your steering wheel. Now you're going to fit your steering wheel in like that. Now you should be looking at something like this. So now, what you're going to want to take is your 4. Take your 4, put it above the front. That's the front. Take this green one where you can choose your colors, remember, and put it on top, behind this one. Take your number plate and put it on the front. Take your back bumper, and place it on the back. Should have something like this so far. You're going to take your windshield and fit it in on this white block, just like that. Take 2 of these and fill them in behind, next to the chair. Nearly done. Take your other windshield and place it at the far back. Got a big amount of boot space. Now, down to our last 2 pieces, and then we got our extra wheels. So we got this and that. You could use a smooth, but it's all about your choice. You could use another one of these 4 like this. So what I've chosen to do is do that and this. Remember, all your color choice. It's your opinion. that goes on like that. It's kind of looking like a kit car so far. Once you fit on your wheels, that's when everything starts to kick in. It's the best part of the video. You have completed your buggy. Look at how stunning this is. Alright, this is our spare wheel. We're going to be moving on to building our next car.